I literally got chills.
Yeah, this is so modern, being like that. So nice. Thumbs up.
They are so pretty. Oh, not your face.
Hi guys, I'm Carla
I'm Laura.
and we are NOKAL. Welcome to our channel and welcome to another unboxing because I have news. I got new shoes! It's like the third video we post buying shoes in like a month and a half, 2 months.
Yeah. Taking
So, yes.
to account that before the videos we didn't get any Jordans, so
True. But suddenly I don't know what's happening. But anyway, yes, we're unboxing them just in front of you. But I'm doing it not on the frame because we don't want to see
yeah.
the direction.
Okay.
They should give us the stickers though. I want the stickers.
I want the stickers.
I'm unboxing first,
Ooh.
but I'm explain now. So the thing is, I'm excited. Can you tell? So the thing is, we bought the Air Jordan 1 Mid Dutch green, and the thing is, Laura tried to get them, and I tried to get them at the same time. But I was in the queue for so long because this one was in the Nike app. It wasn't in the sneakers. It was the Nike app. And Laura
I was also
in the
trying,
queue.
and I thought I didn't get them. And suddenly I received like the notification from my bank. And it's like,
Yeah, because
and I was like, wait, what?
because I mean they are mine, but she got my size also, so she paid for it first. Besties. For example, I tried Laura's the Disrupt ones, and I like them, but then I also tried the Air Jordan 1 High, and I like them too. But the ones I have is like the mid, and I really like them.
You.
Yeah, it's like it suits me. So when I saw these ones that they are like green, that I don't have any green shoes. I have several colors, but I don't have any green shoes with the pop of pink and mid. I was like, I might as well. So that's why I got them, and I'm gonna show them. Yes.
Ooh.
I mean,
So the box
the
is
shoe.
the same one
Yes,
as the other
same as the other one.
ones?
The paper says 23 this
Oh
time.
my god.
What do you?
I'm seeing them.
I have.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Oh my god, I literally got chills.
Can we be more extra? We can't, honestly. We just can't be more extra. Wait, they are so pretty. Oh, not your face! I'm crying. Have you seen it? Like, she's like, I mean, same.
I love green in
Yeah,
general. So I was like, oh my god, and this like minty color.
No, I just love it. I mean, yeah, it's our color. Maybe it's a bit more greenish than bluish than we're, but it's our color because if you haven't seen our apartment tour, we will leave it somewhere or down below. We have a problem with mint. Everything we buy is like, oh, we might as well buy it mint. And one thing started, then the kettle, then the we even have the kettle. Well,
our dishes and everything is also mint, so
we saw something mint and we're like, oh, we might as well. It
Might as
suits
well.
the room. So now everything is mint. Mint. Ah, mint. Mint. More mint. The kettle, mint. The dishes, mint. Even my shoes. So yes, they're so cute.
I know.
Wait.
I really like the laces.
Yeah, I like it with the pink because I normally don't wear pink. It's not that I don't like it, just I don't wear it. But they're nice. Yes, hold it. I will
Yes.
take the other one out.
I approve this purchase.
I mean, yeah, they are both. I regretted my life decisions and having her as a friend for a moment. I was like, what the
I got you the shoes.
never mind. Whatever. Oh my god, we're so annoying.
Oh my god.
We get excited over shoes and then this happens. There are no other like laces.
No,
It's fine. Because I was doubting that if I did not like the pink, I would get white ones, but actually
I'm really liking it.
I really like it. I love the fact that, for example, the other ones that I have are like
Kind of
not velvety, but it's like, how do you say it? It's like peach texture. So they also get a bit more dirty. And with, for example, with black jeans, I can't wear them because they get like super stained. I mean, I'm gonna show you. Wait. Look. And for example, when you walk here, it already has like a bit of black marks. So I wanted to get some other ones that were like full leather, and they are like all leather, I think. And it has like this Air Jordan sign in pink. The lace is in pink. Then this is like also in pink. It's so cute. The Nike logo is in black, and then the rest is all like leather. I think you can see that it's all like leather. It's so pretty. Yes. I don't know. Look, I'm trying to have.
I know.
Anna, what
I know. I'm loving it. Okay.
But I'm giving them an honest review. I really like them.
Yes, me too.
Right?
I think my face.
Yeah, your face said it.
So-
It reminds me of something. Your face. Maybe the yaki, the yeah, you know, the one that threw the ball in the head and she's like yeah. You have the same face. This is size 39 in Europe, 8 in US size for women's shoes, because this is a woman's shoes. And that if you need like some sizing tips, if you have Converse, it's one size up, at least for both of us.
Yeah.
And same as Vans, so maybe that helps you. I love the fact that it has the black touch, because these ones are really soft. I mean, they're beautiful, but they are really soft. And this one has like this like more edgy look to them. So pretty.
Edgy look to them.
Wow! How do you call it? I hate her. I'm gonna fit them and see how they look on fit. But for now, I can see that I love them. It suits the color with my face. No, doesn't it? Okay.
I'm gonna go out of the frame, I think.
So guys, I have them on, and they are a bit like not tighter, but I think that the leather compared to the other ones, it's harder, but in a nice way. They are really pretty, and I love the pink laces. So nice. Thumbs up. I really like them. They are comfy. I mean, they are as comfortable as the other ones that I have, but I really like them, how they look on fit, and I can style them more easily than the other ones. At least for
your style.
My style, yes. Because the other ones, it's like, oh, let me try to spice things up. Full black. I mean, now that summer is coming, I will try.
Yeah, a little bit of color.
Yeah, with more color. We also have planned a video styling Nike shoes, so maybe there I just get inspired and I get some nice looks. So guys, that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, give us a like.
Yay.
So you can support us, please. And let us know in the comments if you have some like Jordans, or if you want us to do like a special video just like with Jordan outfits, Nike outfits, whatever you want. We are up for everything.
Yay.
And
Up
with
for
all that
everything.
said, we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.